They never wanted you to know this, but toothpaste isn't just for brushing. It's actually the ultimate hack hiding in plain sight. So, you need a new faucet at home but don't have one. Don't panic. Follow this tip carefully and you'll understand how it works. All you need is a tube of toothpaste. Yes, seriously. Apply it to the pipe and suddenly you've got yourself a brand new faucet. Sounds insane? Of course it does. But stay with me, because sometimes the most absurd tricks are exactly the ones that work. Curious? Keep watching to see it unfold.